Here we go. It's our last mini-sode. It's our booze, and we're doing really good. And it's Christmas stuff. And if you ever LARP, you play at Amtgard, you've ever come to the Kingdom of the Wetlands thing and come to our bar in the winter months, we give away this cider stuff. This is what it is, and I'm going to show you all how to do it. You'll make it at home for yourselves for the holidays to be able to survive. That's great. If not, we'll see you at any of the Wetlands events. We usually have this in the cold months. We'll see you there. So before we do that, be sure to like, share, subscribe, ring the little bell, do all the YouTube-y things, and then let's get into it. Super simple. So you're going to need some cider. I prefer Martinelli's, but this powder stuff is great. We use this a lot. It's the Alpine powdered stuff. And then you're going to need some water for that, obviously. If you don't need it, if you got the bottle stuff. A little bit of allspice. And then whatever liquor you're going to run into it. Like some people prefer the cinnamon stuff or Fireball if you're basic. I like the caramel vodka stuff. Works perfect. Any kind of flavored vodka kind of works in this. So easiest way to do it is if you check you got a mug or something, make sure it's microwave safe or whatever, which this one is not.
Probably not.
It is not microwave safe. So I'm going to go ahead and take the water and go ahead and microwave that. While that's running, now you're supposed to only put like one of these in here. It makes it super weak. I usually use 2 on my own personal stuff, but if I'm making it for like a big batch or something, I'll go ahead and use all 4.
Hell yeah.
Just I want to be able to chew it. You can shake it, and then somehow I only tore off the 2 outside packages. I don't know. So just go ahead and put that powder in there. Now you see all the powder that's like flying out? That's the flavor, man. That's like the best part. You got to keep it locked in there. Hip, don't. You got to check on it. Don't let it out. Reminds me of a pet monkey you had as a kid. The pet fly. Open his hand and fly off, and you get mad every time you looked at it. So go ahead and put those 4 in there. Try to keep it. Keep all the flavor in. Stop it.
Stuff is really.
It's very powdery. Now, again, like if you use like bottled stuff like Martinelli's or whatever, you don't have to go through all the powder and the water and whatever. Just warm it up. And you get you a little bit of allspice. It's a little, that's about a half a teaspoon in there. Put it on there. And then you got your hot water. Be careful, it's going to be warm. Just go ahead and hit it in here. Or you can just mix it up and then heat it up later, but I prefer to heat the water. So then get you a spoon, magic spoon. Stir it up. Make sure there's not any big chunks of cider powder in the bottom of your stuff. Yeah, just big thing of liquid hot napalm powdered. Yeah,
no,
it's not great. No, and then after that, just pick whichever your poisons are. Yeah, the less basic caramel stuff. Put it right in there. Now, normally we forget straws or spoons or something to stir it, so this is done. Or you can get a spoon when you're at home, stir it. Now, this is great. Now, this is something you can sit back, taste great. You won't taste the booze, and you will drink enough to fall on your face. Don't drink a draft. Please be over 21 when you're doing this. Or remember all that kind of stuff. Or at least don't get caught by your parents to the law. So, no, don't do that. That was a bad thing. But this is, again, it's super cheap. That thing of packages, it gives you enough to make 2 or 3 of these. And you got the 2 different bottles, whatever on there. Again, under $6-7. It tastes great. It's outstanding. And now you know what we've been drinking at the event. So there you have it. It's the official drink, or the official winter drink of the Pirates of Stormwall out of the Kingdom of the Wetlands. You know, you can check us out at the LARP, at the Amtgard, stuff like that. Shout out to all my LARP nerds. Love you guys. Right? Well, most of you. You know who you are, you son of a bitch. So, you can catch us here on YouTube, but all the time. We're always on YouTube, and we upload Tuesdays and Fridays, unless we do these mini-shows like this, where we do them all week. You can catch us on Instagram the rest of the time at Living Between. Catch us at Facebook. What's the other ones? And Pinterest. We're over on Pinterest, and you can catch us on Patreon. You want to help us out? We'd very much appreciate it. Shout out to all our patrons out there, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.